Going up.
Alright, these are the elevators on board the Enchanted Princess. These are the midship elevators here. Going up the piazza right now. Sorry, I couldn't get it. There was a crew member on the 4th deck, so I couldn't actually get a view, but here you go. It's a semi-glass elevator, meaning it only has glass on certain floors. But take a look. Here they are. These are the midship elevators, as I said. There's 2 glass ones. Now going to Lido deck.
Deck 16, Lido.
At the top. No, they go even further.
Going down.
This one. Let's go back down to 4. These are what the buttons look like. Here we are. 19 persons, 59 kilos. Non-88 phone, interestingly enough. Well, this is not an American elevator, so maybe not much of members until we actually get onto the promenade.
Deck 4, Gala. Going up.
Back up to 8 and we'll end it there so I can actually show you the elevator bank. Here's a floor plan. Back on the promenade.
Deck 8, MRL. Going up.
What it looks like. There it goes. And here is the bank. There are 4 more elevators along with another glass elevator. Now let's fill in the other banks. That's it.